the sea so wide and free, father and kitten, together we see. Caught in the net, the penguin cries, father and kitten rush by the tides. Hold on, little friend, they softly say. They pull the ropes and try their way. With care they run to the room by the shore so fast. Grab scissors and knife, this net won't last. Back to the beach with courage bright, they cut through the ropes with all their might. Splashing waves and shiny fins, father and kitten with joyful grins. Fresh from the shore, we fry and share.